Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss on how to form an solid agile team. And this is a very important topic, especially the agile teams are getting formed in most of the new projects, and how to form the new teams, how to get the best out of from the team is a key, right? I'm going to talk about 6 important tips on how to form a solid agile team. If you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing. Let's move on to understand what are those 6 important tips to form the solid agile team. Let's discuss one by one to understand what are those tips. Forming the solid agile team is not going to happen from the day one itself. It takes lot of work, lot of courage to get the or form the very rock solid agile team. So let's go by one tips that would help you to understand what are the important tips or techniques that would help you to form the solid agile team. The first important tip here is slow and steady. So developing an agile team is not going to happen within a day or within 1 week or 2 weeks. It requires lot of hard work. It should have a lot of patience, because normally when you are forming agile team, it definitely takes 3 to 6 sprints to get the best out from the agile teams in terms of good productivity, in terms of good bonding, good output, good results out of these agile teams. Hence, it is always have a patience, go with a slow and steady manner to achieve the best result out of this team. The second tip to form a solid agile team is you should be flexible for any change which is happening in agile teams. If you are not flexible for the changes in agile teams, then definitely you won't be successful in forming a good agile teams, because things are getting changed in a given sprint. Lot many things happens, because in order to deliver the things in a more effective manner, things might get changes in sprint on sprint basis. You should be flexible enough to take care of those changes, adapting those changes in building the team. If you are not flexible enough to take the change, then you cannot build a solid team. That is where you should have the flexibility to take care of any changes. This is the second tip. Then let's move on to understand the third important tip, which is result oriented. You should be all the time result oriented. You should focus on the results. You should focus on the results and the outcome from this agile team. If you are not result oriented, then you cannot achieve in building a solid team, because you need to take care what that agile team is really doing it, what their outcome on sprint basis, whether they really achieve whatever they wanted to achieve. You should give a free hand to the team and ensure that you should be able to help them to solve the problem in a more innovative way. So in that way, if you give a free hand and you are able to work with a passion and in a more of an innovative way, definitely you can build an expertise within the agile team, and that would give you best results out of these teams. This is the third important tip in forming a solid agile team. Then the fourth important tip is accountability. You should always accountable. You should keep an accountability for all your team members, and that is a way you are going to measure the results. And everybody has to do their job in a very effective manner and work as a team member, and as a team they should deliver the things as expected in every sprint. So that is how the accountability into come into picture. As a team, if you are not taking as an accountability, then we will definitely will fail. So that is a key tip which you wanted to build a solid agile team means team should be able to take good accountability. When team is able to take good accountability, then definitely we can build a solid agile team. That is the fourth tip. Then let's move on to the fifth important tip is because things are getting changed in an agile environment in a sprint on sprint basis, you should always ready to take the feedback from the stakeholders or including the clients as well. That is the important thing for the agile team and ready to take any feedback from the stakeholders or from the client in implementing those changes and delivering back to the clients or to the stakeholders. If the team is building with that characteristics, with that nature, definitely you can build a solid team, solid agile team. So that is the fifth important tip. Then the sixth and the last tip is trust factor. You should trust your team because anything you are going to deliver is going to deliver with the team itself, right? Hence, you should give a freedom, you should give a free hand to the team, and you should trust the team in such a way that confidence you should build with the team so that would really deliver the things as we expect on sprint basis. These are the some of the 6 important tips. If you follow, definitely you can build a rock solid agile team in your project. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and understood about how to form the or how to build a solid agile team. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click on like button. If you are visiting Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.